malay kanan kanuda mangulalime ayayo gayam. When you go into your homeland, oh your lovely homeland, and you can dive to Karayan, it's better than the ocean. People there are fishing, jar gathering and jamming and singing like the Rasta. All are dancing with the gangsta. We shout ayayo gayam. We shout mangu gayam. Let's everybody sing. Kalinga is my homeland and it's like a dreamland. Oh yeah, Kalinga is my homeland and it's like a dreamland. Here in Kalinga, we play the gangsta. Here in Kalinga, hey, we sing like the Rasta. Alright, cause it is a tradition, part of communication. Yeah, positive vibration is my way of relaxation and having a vacation, a track for transportation and singing for the nation. Kalinga domination, we shout ayayo gayam. We shout mangu gayam. Let's everybody sing. Kalinga is my homeland and it's like a dreamland. Oh yeah, Kalinga is my homeland and it's like a dreamland. Kalinga is my homeland and it's like a dreamland. Oh yeah, Kalinga is my homeland and it's like a dreamland. Here in Kalinga, we play the gangsta. Here in Kalinga, here